the symptoms can be very so the symptoms can very generalized, such as fever, headache, eye pain. You have pain in your eyes, eye discharge is that, inability to move your eyes, or decreased vision. Then you'll have facial pain, facial heaviness, facial swelling will be there. Then nasal congestion, nasal discharge, particularly the blackish color nasal discharge will be there. And also in your mouth, there'll be blackish ulceration. So these symptoms can very well be associated with any infection for that matter. Any common cold or sinus also will you'll have these symptoms. But how to distinguish, how to differentiate between whether you're having a common cold or a simple sinus infection, or you're having a black fungus. So most of the symptoms specific to black fungus are your inability to move the eyeballs, your decreased vision, your swelling of the eyes, nasal discharge which is blackish in color, and your mouth which is having a blackish ulcer or blackish tissue. So that should be looked out for. So these are some of the specific symptoms, and if you have the symptoms, please consult your doctor regarding what to be done next. The next important question is, how can you prevent yourself from getting this black fungus if you're having the above risk factors which I've mentioned before? So some of the things you can do is pretty much same what you do for COVID-19. Wear a mask whenever you go out, maintain social distancing, then hand wash is very important. Don't unnecessarily touch your mouth, eyes, and nose, and all the other precautions which you take for COVID-19. And two more important things which you have to prevent is, don't take steroids without the prescription of your doctor. Don't take steroid medicines unless your doctor has prescribed you to take, and take it only for the required amount of duration which your doctor has prescribed. Don't over treat yourself or under treat yourself. And secondly, if you're a diabetic, if you're a sugar patient, keep your sugars under control, check them regularly so that the sugars are under control, and you don't have an increased chance of developing this mucormycosis or this fungal infection. So these are some of the things which you can do to prevent this black fungus. And in short, black fungus is not a new thing for us. We have treatment for it, though the treatment is very cumbersome and it's very complicated, but still treatment is there. So just always, precaution is always better than cure. So always protect yourself with all the precautionary measures I've just mentioned to you. And even if you have any of the symptoms, please consult your doctor. Please avoid getting anxious and avoid getting worried that you have contracted a dangerous infection. Yes, it's dangerous, but it can be treated when it is picked up at the right time, and it's treated in the early stage. So this is all about black fungus you need to know and you need to take care about. Then coming to the hot topic for today's age, that is the vaccination, COVID-19 vaccination. So you must have all heard that in United States of America, the USA, they have lifted the ban or lifted the rule of wearing masks in public. Now you must be wondering, when will India experience the same thing? When will we be free of masks? When we need not wear mask in outside, and when we can enjoy weddings and other functions, and when we all can be together without any social distancing. So that they have lifted up all these rules because of only one thing, that is because of vaccination. That the 70% of population have at least taken one dose of vaccine, and that is why they have controlled COVID-19 infection to a very minimal levels, so that they have lifted up the ban, and now the people over there can roam freely without wearing masks, and they can get together. So if you want the same thing to be happening in India, please go and get yourself vaccinated as the priority. Anyone above the age of 18 years, please get the first vaccine you get. It can be any vaccine. It can be Covaxin, it can be Covishield, it can be Sputnik. So these three vaccines are, as of now, approved by the government of India for getting vaccinated. And any of these three vaccines are good. Whatever vaccine you get, please get the shot, and make sure you get the whole, you cover the whole dosage. That is the two dosages of vaccines in the prescribed time, and make sure even then you follow all precautions until we have achieved 70% or at least 80% of the of our population has been vaccinated. So vaccination is only way we can come out of this pandemic. We can come out of all this wearing masks, social distancing, and everything. and I think the lockdown is being eased in a few weeks. Even the cases are coming down, but please don't take it lightly. If you take it lightly, and again, if you don't wear mask or take proper precautions or don't get vaccinated, there's a very high possibility of a third wave coming. And people and research is going on, and people are predicting that the third wave might be as early as in October. So if we don't follow all precautions, we might see an upsurge in cases, which can again lead to loss of lives and loss of many lives and suffering, which we don't want to happen. So please take precautions even now. Even if you're vaccinated, please take precautions, because you might be vaccinated and you might not show the symptoms, but you might infect the others who are not vaccinated, and they may land up in complications. So another thing is, please get vaccinated. And has COVID-19 precautions, you all know what to do, because I've already told you in my seminar before, and even in all my videos, of what all to do. So just follow all social distancing norms, follow what all the government tells you to do. Wearing mask is the safest and the best way to prevent an infection. Hand hygiene. So these measures will make you go a long way in preventing you from getting COVID-19. So these are some of the things that you need to know about right now, about what you can do to save yourself and save others and save the country from going into a third wave, so that we don't experience the suffering that we did in the second wave, and we can learn from history and not repeat it. So that's it from me. I'm ready to take up any questions if it's there.
Thank you, doctor, giving us wonderful information on black fungus. Anyone wants to ask any questions and queries, you can ask here. We will clear now. I have one doubt, doctor. But the
Yes,
black fungus can come to the COVID patients only, or for other person it can also come?
that's what, sir. As I've already told, in COVID patients, because of the use of steroids and because their sugars are high, they have increased chances of getting COVID infection. It can come to other people also, like those whose immunity is compromised, like those cancer, those are taking chemotherapy for cancer, those people are having HIV/AIDS, or smokers, or people having TB. What happens is that their immunity is decreased in these patients, and they have increased chances of getting this black fungus. But for people who are healthy, who don't have diabetes, and who are normal, the chance of getting COVID is the chance of getting black fungus is very rare and very minimal, and so they shouldn't be worried about it.
Okay. Any other one? Any doubt? You can ask. Teachers, any teacher, you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
नमस्ते सर।
Namaste, sir.
सर मेरे पिताजी गांव में रहते हैं। उनको अभी पिछले महीने में कोविड हो गया था। तो कोविड समाप्त होने के बाद मुंह में बार बार छाले आ जा रहे हैं और पैर में सूजन आ जा रहा है।
Okay.
तो उसके लिए ये हर 4-6 दिन के बाद थोड़ा ठीक हो रहा है, फिर तुरंत आ जा रहा है। मतलब कुछ खा नहीं पा रहे हैं, और उनको 4.5 ग्राम का डोज दिया गया था स्टेरॉइड का।
ओके, वही जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ कि स्टीरॉइड्स का डोज देना भी जरूरी है, नहीं देना भी जरूरी है। इट्स द टू वे थिंग, कि इसका रिस्क भी है, इसका बेनिफिट भी है। तो स्टीरॉइड्स के
हाँ, डॉक्टर मिले नहीं थे, तो वो एक लोकल डॉक्टर वो अपने हिसाब से वो घर पे भेज दिए थे, और एक आके डॉक्टर डोज देते थे। वो कंफर्म नहीं हो पाया कि कितना डोज इनको दिया जाए। फिर बाद में वो बोले कि आप बंद कर दीजिए, तो बंद कर दिया गया।
ठीक है, आप बोल रहे हो कि पैरों में सूजन है, वो पैरों का सूजन तो देखना पड़ेगा कि किस कारण है। वो अभी
और मुंह में बार बार छाले आ जा रहे हैं।
मुंह में छाले आने का रीजन कभी क्या विटामिन डिफिशियंसी होने के कारण भी मुंह में छाले आते हैं। ज्यादा अगर पानी की कम होती है छाले आते हैं, या कोई भी मतलब चटकी खाते या न उनको कुछ एलर्जी है उसके कारण भी छाले आते हैं। इट्स बेटर अगर बार बार छाले आ रहे हैं, हाँ बार बार छाले आ रहे हैं, तो इट्स बेटर आप एक बार बता दीजिए, तो क्या हम देख सकते हैं और एक डॉक्टर को बता के देख सकते हैं, तो उसके हिसाब से हम ट्रीटमेंट भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। अगले हफ्ते बुलाएंगे, अगले महीने, तो आपसे एक बार जरूर कांटेक्ट करेंगे सर। सर ये तीसरा वेव जो आएगा, ये इससे ज्यादा पावरफुल रहेगा या कैसा रहेगा सर?
जितना हम देख पा रहे हैं, तीसरा वेव को इतना पावरफुल नहीं होना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए बोले तो, क्योंकि वैक्सीनेशन अगर आप सब लोग ले लिए, 18 साल के ऊपर अगर सब लोग वैक्सीनेशन ले लेते हैं तो हमें थर्ड वेव हम प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं। और कोई लोग बोल भी रहे कि बच्चों में अभी आने वाला है, लेकिन फिलहाल बच्चों में इतना सिवियरिटी दिखा नहीं है, लेकिन अभी हम बोल नहीं सकते। लेकिन अगर सब लोग अगर 18 के ऊपर वैक्सीनेशन ले लिए रहते हैं तो एक इनडायरेक्ट वे से हम बच्चों को भी हम प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर हमें इम्यूनिटी आ गई और बच्चों को भी इन्फेक्ट कम करेंगे।
तो इससे सर बच्चों को अधिक सावधान, जैसे हम लोग हाइजीन और ऐसे करके रखें, ऐसे बच्चों को भी ऐसे ही रखना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, जितना हो सके बच्चों को भी सेफ्टी रखना पड़ेगा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, बहुत धन्यवाद।
और किसी को कुछ पूछना है? एनी टीचर्स? अच्छा, स्पुतनिक आ गया कैसे चेन्नई में?
अभी
वैक्सीन आ गया क्या?
हाँ, अभी तो प्राइवेट वैक्सीन प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में ही आया है। अभी जीके मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल में आज न्यूज़पेपर में आया था कि जीके मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल में नेक्स्ट वीक से देना शुरू करेंगे। तो जो भी वैक्सीन टेक्निक भी अब रेकमेंडेड है गवर्नमेंट के हिसाब से, तो जो भी वैक्सीन आपको मिलती है, जैसे मैंने बोला है कोवैक्सीन, कोविशील्ड या स्पुतनिक, बस आप जो भी वैक्सीन पहले आप जाके डालिए, तो क्या है कि जितने ज्यादा लोग वैक्सीनेट करेंगे उतना थर्ड वेव का चांस कम होगा।
और वैक्सीन का ड्यूरेशन मतलब पहले गवर्नमेंट बताया था कि 45 डेज के बाद दे सकते हैं कोविशील्ड के लिए, और अभी बोल रहे हैं 84 डेज। नहीं, अभी बोल रहे हैं 84 डेज कर दिया करें, मतलब उसका क्या कारण, डिफरेंस का कारण?
हाँ, तो मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि कोवैक्सीन है जो अपनी इंडिया की वैक्सीन है, अपनी इंडिया के साइंटिस्ट ने बनाया है। तो कोवैक्सीन क्या है कि उसका ड्यूरेशन चेंज नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि वो क्या है, वो अलग तरीके से बनाया है। तो क्या उसको फर्स्ट डोज के और सेकेंड डोज के अंतर में 28 डेज का अंतर रहना चाहिए। तो आप वो कोवैक्सीन 4 to 6 वीक्स के बीच में ले सकते हैं। लेकिन कोविशील्ड वैक्सीन क्या है, वो अलग तरीके से बनाया गया है। तो वो फर्स्ट डोज लेने के बाद उसकी जो इम्यून शक्ति पैदा करने की पावर है, वो फर्स्ट डोज के बाद ही बहुत ज्यादा हो जाती है कोवैक्सीन के कंपेयर करें तो उसके लिए क्या, वो 12 हफ्ते तक वो आपको इम्यून पावर वो रहती है, जो इम्यूनिटी, जो वैक्सीन की इम्यूनिटी 12 हफ्ते तक रहती है। वो स्टडीज ऑक्सफोर्ड में हुआ है, लंदन में हुआ है। तो क्या बोल, फर्स्ट डोज के बाद ही 12 हफ्ते तक आपको सेकेंड डोज की जरूरत नहीं है। तो वो एक जेन्युइन स्टडी थी। तो 12 हफ्ते के बाद आप सेकेंड डोज ले तो बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि आपको 12 हफ्ते तक वैसे भी आपको फर्स्ट डोज से प्रोटेक्शन मिल जाता है। लेकिन कोवैक्सीन में क्या, सेकेंड डोज 4 हफ्ते बाद लेनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि इतना, और सेकेंड डोज के बाद ही आपको थोड़ा इम्यूनिटी मिलती है कोवैक्सीन से सेकेंड डोज के बाद। लेकिन कोविशील्ड में फर्स्ट डोज के बाद ही वो इम्यूनिटी आपको मिल जाती है 12 हफ्ते तक। तो यही अंतर है। ये करेक्ट है मेरे हिसाब से, बहुत अच्छा करे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने, क्योंकि लंदन में
ले लिया ऑलरेडी। अब जिस मैंने ऑलरेडी 45 डेज में ले लिया था, तो उसमें कोई फर्क तो नहीं पड़ेगा?
नहीं, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपको वैसे भी इम्यूनिटी थी, सेकेंड डोज भी लिए तो वैसी इम्यूनिटी जितनी आपको होनी चाहिए इतनी आ गई है। अभी क्या है, फर्स्ट डोज ऑलरेडी है, जो फर्स्ट डोज ले ली है उनको जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन 12 हफ्ते तक, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी उनको इम्यूनिटी रहेगी थोड़ी बहुत वैक्सीन के फर्स्ट डोज की। तो 12 हफ्ते देंगे तो क्या, वो क्या एक तरीके से दूसरे लोगों को भी हेल्प करेंगे, जो एक डोज भी नहीं लिए उनको हेल्प करेंगे कि उनको एक डोज मिल जाए, क्योंकि अभी वैक्सीन की शॉर्टेज इतनी चल रही है। तो इसके लिए भी हेल्प होगा। प्लस साइंटिफिकली भी एक रीजन है कि आप 12 हफ्ते के बाद ले तो बेटर रहेगा।
बेटर है।
हाँ,
जो ले चुके हैं उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है। हाँ, कोविशील्ड पे बोल रहा मैं। और कोई टीचर्स कोई डाउट है, पूछना चाहते हैं आप?
Good evening, doctor, and good evening to all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sorry, miss, you can continue, miss.
Ma'am, after you, I will continue, ma'am. Please proceed.
No, it's okay, miss. You can continue, miss. I'll do it after you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening,
welcome.
sir.
Good evening.
Good evening to all. And my question to you, sir, is as you said, sir, people with low immunity, like if they are undergoing the treatment of cancer or AIDS or TB, are prone to get the black fungus infection very easily, and they need to be very precautious. I would like to know, what about people if they have the past history of the same, like for TB, because I had a past history of TB.
If you're not actively like undergoing a treatment for TB, you have a normal risk. You don't have an increased risk. It's like a normal risk, like what others have. but you're actively having TB, then that means your immune system is fighting already bacteria. So its immune system is actually very less at that point of time. So active TB people should be very careful. If you have a past history of TB, that doesn't make much difference, but still please follow all precautions just to be safe.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Ma'am, you can ask ma'am.
Good evening, doctor, and good evening all.
Good evening. Yes, ma'am.
Doctor, am I
continue, ma'am.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah,
ma'am.
audible. You can continue.
Doctor, I've already taken the first dose of COVID shield,
Okay.
and it was so severe.
Mhm.
5 days I was in bed.
Okay.
So should I take the second dose or I can avoid it?
So the thing is, if the vaccine is working, that means you'll get a fever, you'll get a pain in the arm, you'll feel very tired. So these are all the signs and symptoms that your vaccine is working and it's creating an immunity. So
Yeah, that I
because
was aware of, doctor. But
Yeah,
it
so
was so
that's
severe
actually
that the vaccine was working. I was very much aware it is working.
Mhm.
And the after effects of this vaccine, my God.
Yeah, so that is what we have to bear, or we have to, because if you don't get the vaccine, then the only thing is you have a very high chance of getting hospitalized and getting a very severe infection. But then being home for 5 days with a very kind of a moderate symptom, it's better than getting infected with COVID and battling it in a hospital. So it's always better to take that risk.
No, doctor. So should I complete my second dose also, or is it fine?
The thing is, the second, if you didn't have any breathing difficulty, or if you didn't have any full body rashes with the first dose, you can very well go for the second dose. Only if you have had a breathing difficulty or an allergic reaction to the first dose, you should avoid the second dose.
Oh, because like basically I'm a FITS patient, doctor.
Okay. No, that
Where you-
doesn't. Yeah, that doesn't influence your ability to take the second time. But
Yeah,
then
because the
it's better.
first dose they were not ready to give me, other than the like they said no, you have to go to the hospital, give a complete do a complete checkup, and then you have to take the dose. But I was adamant. I said no, fine, just finish it off over there. And on my risk, I've taken the first dose. But luckily, by God's grace, nothing happened.
Unless you have had an allergic reaction or a breathing difficulty or your fall in BP, anything as such like this, until then it's very safe to take the second dose.
What
And
kind
you
of
should-
allergic reaction, doctor? If you just tell me, I'll just recollect whether I had it or not.
whole body rashes or breathing difficulty or sweating.
Breathing difficulty I didn't have, but I had rashes near just the spot where I got vaccinated.
Yeah, that is normal. That is common in all people. But whole body rashes with that is called severe allergic
No.
reaction. Yeah,
I
Then
didn't
it's-
have anything as such.
you can take the second dose.
Okay, doctor. Thank you very much.
Take care.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Anybody else? और किसी को कोई पूछना है या फिर अपन आज का जो वेबिनार है वो समाप्त करते हैं?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, welcome.
Sir, one more last question, sir. Sir, one more question from my side.
Yeah.
How far it is advisable to wear mask at home or going like for a walk? Because we don't inhale proper oxygen for a long time, doctor. That also is affecting somewhere our balance in breathing. So when we have some breathing problems, we just get like we're not feeling like healthy. So I would like to ask that wearing a mask in the crowd or is only advisable, or when we are even alone, we don't have people in and around us, like home or any other place, like where we don't have most of the people in and around us, is it advisable to even wear the mask at that moment also?
Yeah, that is a very good question, ma'am. I'm glad you asked that. So I can clear it. So the thing is, wearing a mask when you're alone, like as of like right now, I'm in my hotel room. No one is around me. I'm alone. So when you're alone and there's no one around you, and when you're sitting alone in the room or while sleeping, when no one is around you, or if there's no one around you for like at least 6 meter distance, there's no need to wear a mask. Only if you go to a crowded place or if you go out, and sometimes even for a walk, yes, even going for morning walks, there are people around you. So it's better you wear a mask. And uh, feeling breathless while wearing a mask is mostly because of the cloth mask, because cloth mask doesn't easily help you breathe in the air. So it's advisable to get a surgical mask if you have. If not, the normal 3-ply mask, which is a blue mask, that is advisable. If you have no, rather than to go for cloth mask if nothing is available. Yes, in short, when you're alone and nobody's around you, you need not wear a mask. But when you're symptomatic, that is when you have symptoms of COVID, and even then, if you're alone in the room, there's no need to wear a mask. If somebody's around you at a within 6 meter distance, it's always better to wear a mask. And during the morning walks also, it's better you wear a mask, but make sure you have that 3-ply mask or the common surgical mask, which will help you breathe better.
ओके, और किसी को पूछना है कुछ? महावीर जी कोठारी, आप है लाइन में?
Yeah, Gyan ji, Sripal.
Yeah, you can ask. Yes, sir.
Sripal here.
Yeah, Sripal ji. Yeah, Sripal ji,
Hello.
welcome. Start.
Yes. Hello, Doctor. Dr. This Sripal Kothari. I just wanted to check about the concentrators. You know, we due to in this second pandemic, everybody has kept concentrators at home, and many of the organization got these concentrators, and even we had one organization started the oxygen bank. But do you think that going forward for the third wave, oxygen concentrator will be of any use? Number one. And number two, the record says that in Delhi and all, just due to this concentrator, the black fungus has, they have not used proper water. So probably that one of the reason for the black fungus. Is that true?
Yeah. Answering to your first question, the use of O2 concentrators. So the thing is, if the saturation of the oxygen level in your body is between 90 to 93, then you can go for O2 concentrators, because the O2 concentrators, that is the oxygen concentrators, can deliver only 5 liters, maximum 5 liters of oxygen at a time. But if you're needing more than 5 liters of oxygen to maintain your oxygen concentration, the O2 concentrators won't help. So it's just an adjustment till you get a hospital bed. You can use those O2 concentrators to deliver the little bit of oxygen you need. And if you're maintaining in that 5 liters of oxygen, it's well and good. But if you're getting it,
सुना एक मिनट बंद करो, 1-2 मिनट बंद करो.
There's a disturbance, I guess.
Gyan ji, kindly mute everybody.
Yeah, I cannot see.
Yeah.
Mahavir ji is there. No, Mahavir ji can do. Mahavir ji only can do.
Okay. Yes, doctor.
Yeah. So answering your second question, the thing is using the oxygen concentrators, we tend to use with the mask and the tubing. It's very important for the mask and the tubes to be used per patient. So the mask should not be reused for another patient. It should be used only once, and like has in for a patient, not to be reused by other patients. And the mask and the tubing should be regularly be cleaned or fogged by necessary materials. But because if you don't do it, because of the moisture accumulated in the mask tube, the spores of the fungus or the molds of the fungus can get accumulated, and that itself can cause an infection. So maintaining the hygiene and the
That
mask.
can cause black fungus.
उषा जी, आप ऑडियो म्यूट करो, थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो रही है. आप ऑडियो थोड़ा म्यूट करो. उषा जी, उषा जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आई रही है.
हेलो.
Yeah,
Hello.
it's muted.
आइए बोलो सर.
Answer is given to Sripal. Hello.
श्रीपाल
Hello.
बाकी तो श्रीपाल भी रहो.
हाँ तो continue Sripal sir.
ना श्रीपाल जी आप लोग खत्म करो, क्लियर करो.
हेलो बंद करो ना, बंद करिए.
श्रीपाल जी. श्रीपाल जी नहीं ना आप. श्रीपाल भाई ठीक है. कुशाल जी आप पूछो जीते. श्रीपाल जी आओ लेकिन आप पूछो कहीं डाउट है तो. कुशाल भाई पूछो साहब.
हाँ. Good evening Dr. Ronak ji. Audible.
हाँ
हाँ आइए बोलो सर.
हाँ मेरा प्रश्न है कि कोविड से रिकवर होके अभी 10 दिन हुए हैं, तो अभी आउट ऑफ स्टेशन जाना है तो जा सकते हैं क्या?
अभी फिलहाल आपको 10 दिन ही हुए तो इट्स बेटर, मैं बोलूंगा कि आप प्रिकॉशंस लीजिए, घर में ही रहिए. मतलब एटलीस्ट जब तक केसेस बहुत कम नहीं हो जाते हैं 100 के नीचे या 50 के नीचे, तब तक इट्स बेटर यू स्टे एट होम एंड अवॉइड एनी अननेसेसरी ट्रैवल.
ऐसे बाहर नहीं जाते हैं, ऐसे आउट ऑफ स्टेशन अहमदाबाद जाने का था.
अगर जरूरी नहीं है और पोस्टपोन हो सकता है तो पोस्टपोन कर दीजिए सर.
up to after how many days we can go travel?
आफ्टर द केसेस डिक्रीज ऑल ओवर इंडिया, जब तक 2% के नीचे नहीं आ जाता है, जब तक एटलीस्ट.
So approximately nearly 1 month. Near
One
about
month के
1 month.
बाद. हाँ.
Thank you.
ओके श्रीपाल जी.
हाँ.
हाँ बोलो
I
श्रीपाल
just
जी, बोलो.
wanted to check that this concentrator can be one of the reason for black fungus if it is not used properly.
It can be. अगर उसको ठीक तरीके से क्लीन नहीं करे और अगर उसको एक पेशेंट को यूज करे वही दूसरे पेशेंट को भी यूज करे तो इट कैन बी अ सोर्स ऑफ द ब्लैक फंगस.
But it cannot
Anything else?
be because of.
आप रिवाइज ब्रेक हो रही है श्रीपाल जी, आप रिवाइज ब्रेक हो रही है. हेलो. यस श्रीपाल जी आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
It cannot be because of proper water. If it is not I mean hello, I'm audible.
आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है.
आवाज आ रही है?
ब्रेक हाँ नहीं वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही थी. अभी बोलिए, अभी क्लियर है. अभी बोलिए क्लियर है. यस श्रीपाल जी बोलिए.
Yeah, that's all from my side.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, anything else sir, or we can end today's program? I request our correspondent Sripal ji to present vote of thanks.
Thank you,
Sripal
Doctor.
Yeah.
Thank you for taking out time, and we appreciate the work done by you and your colleagues as a frontline worker, and the online thing what you have been doing all these 3 months. It's really, there is absolutely no word to appreciate that, and thank you so much for being there and helping out to anybody who tries to reach you. Without seeing day and night, you people were there. Thank you so much, and I'm sure that the guidance and the things what you have shared here will be of very much of useful. And rightly said by you, the third wave can be expected, so we have to be prepared and have to take the proper precautions. Thank you, and definitely, if anything is there, we will reach you soon, and
Yes.
expect your support as always. The guidance what you have been giving. Thank you, and we appreciate the same. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर सर, आपके अमूल्य समय आपने निकाल कर हमारे जो सुझाव दिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आगे भी आपका सहयोग हमें इसी प्रकार मिलता रहेगा।
जरूर
थैंक
sir.
यू
Thank you.
एवरीवन, थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you.
ओके, वी कैन स्टॉप नाउ। थैंक यू।
हेलो
हाँ, हेलो।
हेलो ज्ञान जी,
हाँ, बोलो बोलो। हाँ,
हाँ कोई रिकॉर्डिंग है तो उसका लिंक भेजना, मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुआ था।
नहीं, महावीर जी कर रहे हैं, मतलब महावीर जी वही ट्राई कर रहे हैं अभी। उन्होंने एक आज बहुत अच्छा मतलब काम वो किया, वो बताना भूल गया था। फेसबुक
हाँ।
में और फेसबुक और यूट्यूब में भी इसका लिंक कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए आज थोड़े बिजी थे। मेरे से बात हुई थी, तो अब इतने दिन तक तो जूम से ही कर रहे थे। महावीर जी ने बताया कि मैं इसके लिए आज के वेबिनार में मैं मतलब है ना कनेक्शन में रहूंगा, लेकिन वो
हाँ।
यूट्यूब और फेसबुक को भी कनेक्ट करने के लिए पूरी कोशिश कर रहे थे। तो आई थिंक वो सक्सेस मतलब उनसे बात करने से मालूम पड़ेगा किस प्रकार लिंक मतलब फेसबुक और यूट्यूब में हुआ या नहीं हुआ, उनको ही आइडिया है। वो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी एक कोशिश की है, तो आगे अपने भविष्य में बहुत काम आएगा ये चीज। तो और
बहुत
पब्लिक ज्यादा से
सुंदर
ज्यादा पब्लिक इससे जुड़ सकते हैं। हाँ।
बहुत सुंदर कार्य हो रहा है, और लिंक हो
हाँ।
तो जरूर भेजना।
हाँ, वही रिकॉर्डिंग मतलब महावीर जी के पास ही रहेगा, वही अच्छी है, तो वो है तो जरूर 100% भेज देंगे। एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू एवरीवन टू लीव दिस। थैंक यू।